This Arc Rocket Athena mini jukebox was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm doing a full unboxing and showing you what it looks like, especially once the lights are on, because that's definitely one of the best parts about this. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the design. It has that really cool retro jukebox look, and I love the yellow-green color. It stands out without being too over the top. As I'm unboxing it, you can see it's actually pretty compact, so it doesn't take up a ton of space, but it still feels like a statement piece. It's one of those items that's not just functional, it also doubles as decor. Going over what it can do, this is a multi-function player, so you're getting a CD player, Bluetooth speaker, radio, and it also supports USB and SD cards, so you have it a lot of different ways to use it depending on what you prefer. In this video, I'm mainly focusing on the unboxing and showing you the overall look and features rather than playing audio directly. Once I get it powered on, you can really see where this thing stands out: the LED lighting system. It gives off that classic jukebox feel, and the lights really bring it to life. It's the kind of piece that would look great in a bedroom, living room, game room, or even like a fun corner setup. As I show it in the video, you can see how the lights look in different angles and lighting, and just adds a really cool ambiance. Even when it's not in use, it still looks great just sitting there with the lights on. I also tested the sound quality off camera, including the radio mode, and I was honestly really impressed with how it performs for the size. It gets loud enough for a room and sound is clear, which is exactly what you want from something like this. The fact that it has multiple playback options is also really nice. You're not stuck using just one format. If you still have CDs, this is a fun way to actually use them again, but you can also easily switch over to Bluetooth or other inputs. Overall, this is one of those products that's just fun to have. It combines the nostalgic look with modern features, and the lighting really makes it stand out from a regular speaker. Between the design, the versatility, and the sound quality, it's a really unique piece that works as both a speaker and a decorative item.